On the 28th of April, when I was arrested before your court, Your Lordship, that was a plan. And the plan was hatched in the office of the President, the number one office of the number one in the country, that I'm a problematic advocate. I'm interfering with a plan that has been hatched, that my client should take the responsibility of the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, despite the fact that they were innocent. So,
I'm sorry, my lord, and I don't want to be rude to my learned friend, but we suggest, my lord, if my learned friend is going to withdraw, that he should just do so, my lord. I think it's unfair to malign institutions or other persons, my lord. I don't think it's proper. The people who don't have the opportunity to defend themselves.
No, Mr. Valoy, I'm the one withdrawing. Can you sit down?
Yeah, but can you talk about withdrawal? I've heard
Yes.
I have part,
Is it
I've
proper,
part
Your
of
Lordship,
harassing
that
you,
when I talk about
and I'm
withdrawal,
not going to listen to you on end.
what is
You are
proper?
withdrawing. Part of the reason why you are withdrawing is because I am part of your harassment.
Yes.
Yes. And anything else?
No. Can I be allowed to say what I have
No.
to say?
No.
I don't have to say.
Yes.
I don't have that right to say.
You don't have.
I must
the
just say
right-
I withdraw.
You don't have the right to.
I must just say I withdraw.
To be irrelevant and go on end. You have carried the message. You are withdrawing. You have conveyed.
That was Advocate Adv Teffo saying that he withdraws from the Senzo Meyiwa's murder trial from representing the 4 accused in the trial, you guys. Teffo stated that his life is in danger after he has received a lot of threats. He said, and I quote, he said, "I will no longer be able to proceed in this court based on the harassment that I am receiving from the state and from the court." Now, the big question is, when will Senzo Meyiwa's family get justice for his murder, you guys? This case is so frustrating. Please do share your thoughts in the comments. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.